A transaction is the basic message format used to create an entry on the Bitcoin ledger. It is presented as the serialization of a set of fields, where some fields are of fixed length and others of variable length. Here we can see the structure of a transaction as it is being assembled. The fields contained within a transaction are the following. A transaction's version number, which is a 4-byte field that represents the version of the data format that the transaction is using and can be set by the transaction creator. The input count, which is a 1 to 9-byte field that defines the amount of inputs the transaction has. The input list contains the previous transaction hash, previous output index, input script length, input script, often referred to as the script sig, and sequence number for each input. The output count is a 1 to 9-byte field that indicates the number of outputs created by the transaction. The output list contains the value, output script length, and the output script, which is often referred to as a script public key for each output contained within the transaction. The final field of a transaction contains a 4-byte end lock time value. End lock time can lock a transaction's outputs until after a certain amount of blocks have passed, or use a Unix timestamp to make a transaction final at a designated time in the future.